Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Totalum AI App Builder. Let's get to it. So first, you need to log into totalum.app and it's going to take you over to the accounts page. On it, you need to scroll down, you'll find your projects and choose a project that has an upgraded plan on it. So press on the open button in order to go inside that app. All right, once you're here, press on this GitHub on the top right. Then it's going to show you this pop-up, GitHub integration, connect your GitHub repository. It has a two-way sync. So AI changes sync to GitHub and GitHub changes sync back. You can read all of this right here. Let's press on the continue with GitHub button. Now, this is not a standard GitHub connection process. It will require you to change some things like create a fine-grained path and such, and put the repository and the GitHub, the fine-grained personal access token here. So in order to do this, we first need to go over to github.com, log into your account there, then press on this new button on the left-hand side and create a repository name from here. So type in something, for example, Totalum. I'm going to name it same as this, Ember Eats, Totalum Ember Eats, like this. Description, just say Ember Eats, or type in the description of your app that you've created. Scroll down, there's configuration. Choose visibility, keep it as it is. Keep all of this as it is and create repository. Once you've done this, let's go back to Totalum again, and you'll find this create a fine-grained path. Under it, you'll see this open GitHub token settings. Let's press on this, and it's going to take you over to this developer settings page. Now you need to press on this generate new token button. Now type in the token name. I'm just going to say Totalum App like this. For description, let's just copy it, paste it here, scroll down, and you'll find repository access. Let's press on this third one, only select repositories, and you'll find this drop down. So click on this. Now select the one that you want. This is our repositories here. I'm going to select the one that we just created. Scroll down again, there's permissions. So you need to press on this add permissions on the right and scroll down. You'll find contents. You can also just type it here. Contents, select this one, and let's go back to Totalum again. We have got this second one as pull requests. So let's go back here and search for pull requests, select it as well. And we need administration. So let's type it here, administration, select that as well. Now for the access, we need to give it read and write. So we need to select for each of these and select read and write in drop down. Once you've done it, let's press on the generate token and press on the generate token in this pop-up as well. All right, now we need to copy this personal access token from here. So copy it, go back to Totalum, and right under the fine-grained personal access token in this field, let's paste it. So right click paste it, or Control-C, Control-V. And for the repository field, we need to go back to github.com. In this repository that we have created, you need to go in, and then on the top, there will be this URL. Copy the URL from here. So go back to your GitHub, and then you'll find your repository, go inside. After that, copy this URL on top. Copy it, go back to Totalum, and in repository field, paste this. Now let's press on the connect GitHub button, and it's now syncing with GitHub. And there you go, the GitHub is connected. We can disconnect GitHub from here, and let's close it. Now, if you press on this GitHub on the top right, it'll give you these options: open on GitHub, open in VS Code, pull from GitHub, and you can also disconnect from here. Now let's go back to GitHub page right here. Let's refresh it, and you can see we have got all the files that were in Totalum imported over here. Now, if you want to export the code from here, download the code files, you can press on this code button, the green button, and then scroll down. You'll find under local download zip. Press on it, and it's going to download the .zip file for you. You can open it up, and inside it, you'll find all the files that are here that were there on the Totalum AI App Builder. Here, if you go to code on top, you'll find all the files here, and you're also able to download the files from this button. But if you do decide to connect GitHub, you would have the files imported here as well, and you would be able to download them from this green button, download zip. And yeah, that's it. That's how to connect GitHub to Totalum AI App Builder, which will allow you to download the source code files as well directly from GitHub. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Totalum AI App Builder related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.